I'm watering the garden and I decided to do some tasks since it is a little cooler. It's been in the hundreds here in Northern California every single day, so I'm taking this opportunity and I'll just take you along as I do some tasks, or at least show you some stuff around the garden that I'm super excited about. These tomatoes are all indeterminate tomatoes, and honestly they have not thrived in pots. A lot of the fruits, like these ones back here, are Kellogg's Breakfast, which usually has very big fruits, but they're putting on like really tiny fruits. None of them are changing colors. I'm finally getting some color on tiny ones elsewhere, but I think they're just not thriving. So I am going to cut some of these out of here, unfortunately, because I think I'm just wasting water. They're not really going to produce much. Like super tiny tomatoes. I'm talking like spoon tomato size, and these are indeterminate, like beef steak kind of variety. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut those down, and then I'll show you my watermelons. When I tell you I am so excited for these watermelon, I can't even stand it. We had this one was the first one, ignore the pruners, and then that was the second, and then I just noticed a third. And then these are our grapes. They're looking pretty good. They're growing kind of slow. I don't know if I need to fertilize them again. Got to do some more research on the grapes, but these tomatoes are doing pretty good. I'm not sure if they ripen to red or not. These are new varieties by Wild Boar Farms, so I'll have to look into that. I took out those 2 tomato plants. They literally have yet to set one single fruit, and they just kind of keep growing. And they're just not doing anything, so it's like I'm just wasting water, unfortunately, to keep them alive. But yeah, so they're cut out. This hybrid tomato called Sakura that I got from Johnny's, it's actually doing, and my phone does not focus correctly, but it is doing really well in the pot. All this chatting, and I flooded this tomato. The onions are looking kind of hot and dry. They might start flopping over soon and be done, but some of them are pretty decent size. These are blush onions from Dixondale Farm. My tomatillos are putting on so many tomatillos. I'm so excited. This is 6 plants. We have eggplants forming on the plants, some spaghetti squash forming, and I'm starting to get some corn ears. Like and subscribe to follow along as I learn to grow my own food. Archie!